Hi there, I'm Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service in Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I'm showing off the Sebo E3 German-made vacuum cleaner. This is a mid-size canister. The main body here weighs right underneath 12 pounds. Your handle weight is right under 1.5 pounds. So it still feels very, very lightweight, but this vacuum cleaner can almost do any type of home or flooring. So I'm going to show you some features and show it off to you. So right here at the nozzle, you have 4 different height adjustments to raise it up and down to fit the perfect height for your orientals or wall to wall carpet. Underneath, you have a clogged door in case you accidentally pick up a sock or something. You can open that door and remove that object very, very easily. You can remove the brush roll without any tools to service and remove the hair off of there. And then you can install it right back. That end cap just kind of goes right back on there and lock it in place. You have a nice telescopic wand to fit your perfect height. You can go very, very low profile on canisters, so if you need to get underneath beds, couches, tables, things like that. You can also remove the wand at the power nozzles to get up high to do your ceilings, corners, chandeliers, things like that. That is a 7-foot length hose, so you can get up very, very high if you need to. On the main canister here, we have our crevice tool to get in corners and your upholstery tool. You do have a dusting tool that will sit right here on the wand as well if you choose to. A 25-foot retractable cord. You just hit the button, it's going to retract right back in. You have a gallon-sized bag, so you can still hold a tremendous amount of dirt inside this mid-sized canister. It normally comes with a 5-year warranty. Right now, if you buy it through an authorized dealer, you can get it extended to a 10-year motor, 10-year non-wear parts, and 7-year labor, but you do have to buy it through an authorized dealer. If you would like more information on this, you can visit our website, a1vacsales.com. You can reach out to us at 502-451-4515. Or if you live close enough where you can drive in for a full demo or check out all of our other canisters, that would be awesome as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope to hear or see you soon. Thank you so much.